My dear students, today we are going to discuss very important problem from distribution. So before we are going to proceed these distributions, you should give like symbol, subscribe this channel, share it with your friends. Thank you. So very interesting standard distributions. There are two types of distributions. One is discrete distribution. Another one continuous distribution, isn't it? So already we know about discrete and the continuous, isn't it? So the data we are given the very first type discrete type of data, another one continuous type of data. So according to the given data, so we are going to take the distributions belong with to discrete or continuous, isn't it? Okay. Now some of the distributions under comes under discrete: binomial distribution, geometric distribution, Poisson distribution, negative binomial distributions. So these are the four comes under discrete distributions. Okay. Now let's move continuous distributions. Some of the continuous distributions available: uniform distribution, exponential distribution, normal distribution, Webb's distribution, gamma distributions. So these are the continuous distributions available. Okay. Now start with binomial distributions. Very interesting chapter. Binomial distribution is also called as Bernoulli's distribution. Bernoulli trial. The Bernoulli trials has the following properties. Number one, there are only two outcomes, namely success and failure. Number two, these are denoted by small p and q such that p plus q equal to 1. That is, success plus failure is equal to 1. Third, p and q are constant for each term, isn't it? Okay. Number 4, each trial is independent of others. Number 5, the number of trials is finite, namely n. Okay. Suppose if it is infinity, you know the symbol infinity, isn't it? So these are the 5 properties for Bernoulli trials. Okay, very important. Let's start the definitions for binomial distribution. Let capital X be binomially distributed with parameters n and p. Then f of x will be ncx q power n minus x p power x is a probability function of capital X. By substituting x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n, there are the terms we have in the expansion of p plus q whole power n, which is nothing but the binomial series. Hence, the above distribution is called as a binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is p of x is equal to small x ncx q power n minus x p power x, where is x varies from 0 to infinity or n, isn't it? Okay, number 1, in binomial distribution mean, it is denoted by e of x equal to n into p. Variance, e of x squared minus e of x the whole squared is equal to npq. Moment generating function mgf mx of t is equal to q plus e power t p whole power n. Okay. So then, using these ideas, we are going to discuss the very first problem from binomial distribution in the next video. Thank you, my dear friends.